I'm Joel Mulpeter, Director of Product Marketing.
And I'm Paul Burge, Product Owner for Video Solutions.
If you have multiple sources in a space, DigitalMedia switching transmitters have you covered. Switching on these devices is automatically enabled out of the box and is based on the last source connected, since this is the most common use case. There are buttons for manual switching if that's a requirement, and these buttons also make setup and commissioning much easier.
DigitalMedia switching transmitters come in a few different formats, but generally in either a 2x1 or 4x1 configuration. There are a range of connector types. We support HDMI as you would expect, but also video over USB-C for laptops and devices that support DisplayPort alt mode.
We have models that also support charging over USB-C. These have the letters CHGR at the end of the part number and require local power. They charge the USB-C device at the same time, so there's no concern for the presentation device running out of power mid-presentation. In this demo, we have a single input receiver connected to our display, and we'll use our 4-input single output charging transmitter.
We see on our screen here a room PC already connected to the HDMI input. As a user enters the room and connects their laptop over USB-C, the system automatically switches to that input and starts charging the laptop.
As soon as I disconnect, it goes right back to the room PC where it left off. Now it's ready for the next person to use the room however they want. This demonstration utilizes auto switching in the transmitters. But note that when connected to devices like our switching receivers or HDPS presentation switches that have a web UI, we can assign a priority to the inputs on the transmitting devices. Be sure to watch the rest of the videos in this 4-part series for a deep dive into the other DigitalMedia product categories.
And to see more Crestron solutions, visit Crestron.com.